Listen, you're not broken, you're not tired, you're not stuck. You just lack morning discipline, and it's costing you your future. Why do I feel tired before the day even starts? Every morning you face two choices. 5 morning habits that can change your life. Wake up at the same time every single day. When you master your wake-up time, you master yourself. No phone for the first hour. Make your bed, drink water, get sunlight. Move your body. Motion creates emotion. Start your day with protein. Do the hardest task first. Your future is built every morning. If you're ready, comment "I'm ready" and subscribe.